All right, time to start the shift. Access granted.
Line 3 is running smoothly. We're on schedule.
I'm seeing a slight temperature fluctuation on kettle 5, checking sensors.
Authorization granted. Let's keep the line moving.
All right, doors are open. Bringing the forklift over now. Watch that corner. Got it, heading inside.
The forklift delivers the flour pallet to a receiving hopper. We'll cut the top sack and pour it into the intake grate. Then
The beef mixer receives ground beef, followed by precise measurements of carrots, onion flakes, and garlic, creating a flavorful filling. Purified water flow confirmed. Liquid sugar added to specifications.
The filling consistency is perfect. We're ready to proceed.
The sensor scans each can with a laser, verifying the fill level. A green light confirms the correct amount of ravioli.
Inspection complete. Good seam quality. Continue process.
The retort cycle is complete.
Cans are sterilized, starting to cool.
Verified temperature drop. They're ready. Pallet secured. Moving to storage. Copy that. Proceeding to Bay 7. Pallet 12-7 ready to be put away. Scanning rack 783. And scanning the pallet. Confirmed.
The latest samples are ready for testing. Please log them and distribute them accordingly.
Will do.
Ensure the temperature is accurate.
Weight 32.5 grams. Dimensions 4.5 by 4.5, thickness 1.2. Seal integrity check, no leakage. Shape is uniform.
The pH is 4.2, that's within the target range.
Yeah.
Let's confirm with a second sample to ensure consistency. Another 4.2, we are good to proceed.
The X-ray system detects the hazard.
That one's rejected.
Quality records saved. Line speed is up to 600 cans per minute. Shift total reflects the change. Goal percentage is rising on schedule.
Line performance is stable, but watch for a slight deviation on the third filler. Understood, thanks. We'll monitor closely. Checklist is complete, everyone briefed. Filter is used. Looks pretty clogged. Yeah, ready for a fresh one. Yeah. Set the gauge to 0. Don't forget to log it.
Checking calibration, 500 grams, needs adjustment. There, perfect, 1,000 grams, ready to go. Thank you.
Temperature check complete. 95 degrees, holding steady. Perfect for the blanch.
Notice the sweetness?
Slightly higher acidity than batch 111.
Yes, the herb profile is distinct.
The texture analyzer is calibrated and ready. Initiating the test cycle. Parameters are within the specified limits.
The readings are complete.
And the sample matches the standard.
Perfect, we're good to go. The reading is 1.2%. I'll rinse and repeat with the second sample for confirmation.
Verified.
1.2%, well within the specifications. The reading shows 6.5 bricks, right in the spec range.
Viscosity test initiating. Reading steady at 2200 centipoise. Test complete.
The seam has been cut. Now, to measure the 5 critical dimensions with the digital microscope.
The can is placed and the chamber sealed. Initiating vacuum, we're holding for leaks now. No bubbles observed, the seal is good. Releasing pressure now. Passed.
Pallet 12, Case 3, Chef Boyardee Beef Ravioli. Pick confirmed. Thank goodness for Chef Boyardee.